How your 125,000 pesos can start paying you forever this 2026. Are you ready? Sige, pag-usapan natin. Imagine putting money somewhere that it doesn't just sit, but pays you back quarterly like clockwork. That's what many Filipinos experience with AIA Monetary, which is invested in the Global Dynamic Income Paying Fund. So, share ko sa inyo itong September 2025 figures. Since quarterly merong payout, last September 2025, the fund released dividends at an annualized rate of 5.53%. Yes, your money earned while you're living your life. Now let's make that real and practical. Example, minimum investment 125,000. So if you invested 125k at 5.53 annualized, that's about 6,912 in potential dividends for the year. Now you divide it by quarterly, divide by 4, that's roughly about 1728 every payout period. Okay, I know it's not retirement money yet, but imagine adding more consistently, letting it compound and staying invested for years. Every quarter, you're paid for showing up as an investor. And here's the best part. As long as your money stays invested, dividends keep paying out, right? Although it's not guaranteed kasi syempre depende sa factors if the global companies pays out dividends. Now, if you pull out your money, income stops. If you stay invested long term, then you create a potential lifetime income stream, one built on global companies sharing profits to you. It's like planting a fruit tree. If you water it, it feeds you for years. If you cut it, just like a golden goose, di ba? Harvest is gone kapag pinatay mo yan or pinutol mo yan. Also, this is not just an investment. AIA Monetary gives you life insurance coverage, so your plan continues for your family even when you can't. 125% ng initial na pera mo. So kung 1 million yung ininvest mo, 1.25 million yung insurance mo. So who should consider this? OFWs planning to go back to the Philippines for retirement, busy professionals looking for passive income, entrepreneurs tired of starting from zero monthly, or first-time investors who want income plus protection. So, if you want your money to start working harder than your savings account ever will and earn from global companies who profit every single day, send me a message and I'll help you get started. The sooner you plant the tree, the sooner you enjoy the harvest. Message me. Dali na. Go.